Hey guys, if you're following along, you remember this is Project Myrtle. Myrtle was purchased from the original owner's son, who passed away actually. When she passed away, her son picked this car up and had it for many years. And then after years of life getting in the way, it fell in disrepair. Ended up losing its original motor and transmission. The inside was pretty bad. It had a broken piece of glass. So we put another motor and transmission in it. It's an AOD car. New compressor, all new brakes. Went through the wiring. Pulled the motor out, freshened it up, painted it up. Oil pump, timing chain, tune up, all the basic crap. Put another battery box in it with the correct hold down. All OEM parts for the most part except the booster and master cylinder. Rerouted all the vacuum. This was a rolling chassis car when we got it. Last on the road in 2006. So now, with its original paint still, not the only thing original. The original owner, which her name was Myrtle, before she passed, she gave it to her son, and now for the first time he's about to drive it. And I'd say, well, 18 years, something? Long time. 10 years, whatever. Here we go. Factory radio still works. One of my favorite parts. If you're gonna have this, you have to have this. Oh. Houston, Texas, air conditioner is an absolute must, and this one blows nice and cold. Thanks to the 130 amp alternator, charging is good. Michimoto radiator, new water pump. Well, this is her. She's got a long drive ahead of her in Houston traffic, just the way I love it. From 2006 to 2018. 12 years. And it's about to drive back home where the original owner used to live. Neat story and a cool little car. Thanks for watching, guys.